Bonjour tout le monde! Hi everyone, my name is Isabelle Nicolas Johnson and I'm the founder and language coach at Prêt, Parler. What I would like to teach you today is how to pronounce the sound U in French. This can be a tricky one because it doesn't exist in English. But there are little tips that I will teach you today on how to make this happen. How do I know this? Well, I'm an opera singer, so I had to take a few diction classes and I learned how to pronounce French for English speakers. So let's do this. You have to think that you're producing the sound E, but using a round mouth. So think that your mouth is in the shape of an OO. Ooh la la, ooh, you. OO, but you want to produce the sound E. So think E with your mouth in the shape of an OO. Let's try this. E, 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 E. So with practice, you refine the sound and it should sound like an U. Everything in French is very small, very precise, very clear. We have very pure vowels in French. Donc le son du français se trouve ici. C'est un petit peu nasal aussi, mais c'est beaucoup plus haut que le son de l'anglais. So try this at home. Please leave me your comments. Does it work for you? It should work for you. And I'll leave you with a little song in French which uses a lot of U. Oh U, oh Ursule, pour toi d'amour mon cœur brûle. Bye guys! Il faudrait une pompe à vapeur pour éteindre le feu qui consume mon cœur. Il faudrait une pompe à vapeur pour éteindre le feu qui consume mon cœur. Bonne journée!